We're at Warmsworth Sewage Treatment Works in the village of Warmsworth near Doncaster. We're replacing some Archimedean screw pumps. We were asked to tender for this project simply because we're the UK service partners for Landustry.
We've been partners with ECS for about 4 years now. A good company with a good crew of people with a lot of experience.
Previous screw pumps were manufactured in excess of 30 years ago by Landustry. The screw pumps that we've now installed are direct replacements like for like, with the exception of the drive, which now has an inefficiency 1 motor, and the lower bearing, which is a stainless steel Eco Sealed for Life unit. Landustry are the only manufacturers that actually manufacture a stainless steel bearing, and the only manufacturers that will offer a warranty in excess of 12 months. In fact, they offer a 3-year warranty as standard.
In this case, this is one of our old screws. We still have all the drawings and all the history of the whole thing, so it's quite easy for us to do a remanufacture. Something special about these is that they are quite long, which makes the stresses on the screw itself quite high because of the span. A careful calculation has to be made, and nowadays, other than like 30 years ago, we make a finite element analysis of the screw, so we are very, very sure that they are strong enough.
The process of removing and replacing the screw pump starts with the client isolating flows into the chamber and cleaning down the screw pump, after which we remove the bearings and lift the screw pump out. Subsequently, we then break out the worn screed, which is sacrificial in the trough, then install a new screw pump and re-screed the trough. The tolerance between a screw pump of this size is 5mm between the tip of the flight and the screed. If that gap becomes larger, the screw pump becomes less efficient. So consequently, the existing worn screed is broken out, and after the screw pump has been reinstalled, it is then re-screeded by hand. We mix by hand, which is a mixture of sharp sand, cement and PVA, and we screed it starting at the bottom, moving up the trough. It's a very labour-intensive process, but it's the only way of guaranteeing maximum efficiency. The job has been extremely straightforward. The client is happy with what we've done.
I think the ECS Landustry package is a very strong formula. Landustry is a first quality screw manufacturer with around 100 years of experience, and ECS is a good and experienced, reliable installer.
ECS have the ability to undertake screw pump repairs and replacements anywhere in the UK.